Just have a look under here. Oh, hang on, let's put the flash on, then we can see what we're doing. There's the oil pump's nice and clean, the pickup.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all wired up nice and tidy. It's pretty clean inside, really. I don't think it's been messed around with. Yeah, if we could just get a piece of plate and bolt that to it so we don't knock the gasket face out of shape, and then we'll plasma cut the middle out and knock that dint out the sump, and it should be alright, because we can use the jig on the other one, because the other one's got a dinted sump.
Right, so what the old gasket out of here and then